Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Rory and Friends of Gaming, and today I am making slime. So I already have made the glue potion and I put it in this really cute blue glitter, and it's clear if you can kind of see and stuff. So all we're gonna do is activate solder. I did not know that I was gonna vlog today. I totally forgot because I have made 3 vlogs. That's pretty much. So if you want me to do, if this gets 2 likes, I will do the user. I'm gonna do like reacting to Musical.ly, recreating Musical.ly that with maybe one of my friends. So yeah. Tomorrow is school. I'm going to be doing a vlog video today too. So if you would like to watch that, you can. I think I might do it after school too. I'm starting school tomorrow. If you guys started school yesterday, then cool. I mean, online. Sorry, I'm just gonna use some slime all over me. It's okay. Ew. And I'm just gonna mix that and it's gonna make it. Okay, let me get the activator. You can use any type of activator, it doesn't really matter. Right now, sorry. My room is especially over with slime, so don't judge me. Like my whole entire room, it's covered with like this. Look. I almost got my hair. Did it get my hair? I thought it did. I would have literally died if it got my hair. No, my shoe. My shoe is covered with slime right now. Okay, that sucks. We're gonna just move that over there. Ew, okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit of activator now. That was a lot. Okay, so I think we're almost done. It's getting really clumpy. So I think it's time for us to start mix it in, or I guess I'll just add a little bit. There you go, I only added a little bit. Like, you guys didn't even see that, but I knew I put some. Okay, here it is. It's like, I can, okay, I'm gonna start mixing it in because it's kind of just, okay. Ew, it's definitely not ready, but it's okay. OMG, there's glitter all over me. I did not know this was gonna be that bad. I vlog every single day. I'm starting to and stuff, and I'm gonna do lots of morning routines because like my school morning routine a lot of times, like a lot of times, because
Ready? Or not yet?
Not yet. After when I'm done with this slime. We're gonna go to the store. I cannot vlog that, but so this one is done. I'm gonna do ASMR in a sec. Let me just get this off the slime off of the container. It's kind of overactivated. I think it is overactivated, but when it sets for a couple of days, it's gonna not overactivate. It's gonna be less activated. So this is a slime. It's just not really that stretchy, but that's because there's a lot of fallout. Don't add that much glitter. I'm almost done. I just need to wash my hands. So I'm going to do the outro. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, stuff. I don't know where it'll be at. Next video I'll do it. Bye.